Viral TikTok products that actually work. Today we're talking about devices in the skincare category. Hello and welcome to Skincare Simplified. My name is Nipun, your skincare bestie, now a certified skincare consultant, and in today's video we will talk about all of those products that I am pretty sure you've seen on TikTok, you've seen on Instagram ads, maybe YouTube shorts as well, where you see magical results instantly and then all you want to do is hop onto Amazon or hop onto the TikTok store and buy that product. And many times we all get disappointed. But today I'm not going to talk about the products that disappointed me. I'm going to talk about the products that actually work. Before we get into the video, let me remind you we are on the last leg of the September giveaway. 2 lucky subscribers are going to win 10,000 rupees worth or 500 dirhams worth skincare boxes. So do participate in this giveaway. You will see questions throughout the video on the screen. All you need to do is give me your answers in the comments below and that will help you qualify for the giveaway. I will announce the winners on 30th September, which is Friday, via a video. So you guys need to know this, I'm very easy to influence, okay? I look at a fancy ad and I buy stuff. I've wasted a lot of money on hair products like these devices which were not exactly cheap but did not perform. But let me tell you about the products that did. Now the first one that has been super viral is this, the Magic Hair Remover. This is supposed to be basically a device or a tool which has glass on top, and all you're supposed to do is rub it on your hand, rub it anywhere on your body where you have hair, and it magically takes off the hair. Now here you can see the video and you will know I tested this out several times. This is a product that actually does work. Yes, it does work. It works really well on your legs. It works adequately well on your hands. It doesn't quite work on the underarm area because there are folds of skin and the hair could be long and fine. Doesn't quite work. Doesn't quite work in the bikini area, but does work on inner thighs and the sides of the bikini area, but on top of the vaginal surface where you have hair, doesn't work. Having said that, I have actually grown to love this product because sometimes you have a little bit of baby hair or a little bit of hair that come out right after you wax. You still want to wear a skirt or you want to wear a dress that has your leg showing. This is a great solution because in between my wax appointments I would actually have to rely on either shaving or doing another quick wax. A quick wax is not really an option because it doesn't take out super fine or super short hair. Shaving is something I don't prefer. So this has actually become my go-to product for my legs. Now, one thing you need to know about this product is that after every use, you need to wash it and dry it because otherwise this kind of develops a powder on it and then it doesn't quite work. So you need to keep cleaning this, making sure it's completely dry. Use this on your skin when it's completely dry. If you're going to use this on skin that is damp, freshly washed would not work. The other thing about this, which is a bit of a downside, is that it kind of makes the surface dry. So you want to be very regular with your moisturizing routine and definitely moisturize after you use this product so that your skin is soft and supple. This is a product I would definitely recommend if you're struggling with strawberry legs, because while shaving is a solution around strawberry legs, waxing kind of aggravates the whole situation. But if you have strawberry legs, you should try this. One thing I will also tell you, if the hair are very long, like if you haven't waxed for 3 months, which I don't think happens, but if you haven't waxed for 3 months, will not work. This will work on short, thick hair. So that is my take on it, but honestly the product does work. I got it from, this is available on Amazon. I will link it. This is also available on a TikTok store where I purchased it from. The store is called Rose and Glow. So yeah, this is the first viral product, the Magic Hair Remover, which actually works. The next product is the Exfoliating Mitt. You've all seen those videos where people are using this, scrubbing their hands, and there is like a lot of dirt and dead skin, layers and layers of it that is actually accumulated with this. Now with this particular product, I had a little bit of a journey because I did not know how to use it correctly. So I first thought this does not work, but then after watching a lot of YouTube videos, I actually figured how to use it correctly, and this is what I want to show you, how this product works. Now this product, as I'm going to say 100%, yes, it works in removing dead skin. It is amazing for removing the tan on your body. Do it once every 10-15 days. That's good enough. Now the way you use it is very important. Firstly, you need to shower and you need to be in some kind of a hot shower or say a medium hot shower for at least 10 minutes, because all of your skin on your body needs to soften up. If you're in a 2-minute quick shower in and out and then you use this, it will not work. You need to be in a sort of a long shower so that your skin on the body has softened up. Next, this product needs to be wet, but you need to squeeze it out really well. Number 3, after your body needs to be semi-dry, so it can, if your body has any water on it and then you go in with it, would not work. Your body needs to be semi-dry, as in you need to tap dry with a towel or a t-shirt or whatever, and then you start exfoliating. Within the first 10-15 seconds, nothing will happen, but as you go in circular movements, as you can see in the video, it will start to remove all of your dead skin from the surface. While you're doing this, obviously you can't do the whole body together, right? So you'll maybe start with one arm. Chances your other arm is going to dry up. So what you need to do is, before you go on to the other arm, you need to sort of make sure it's wet again, tap it dry and then start. It's a process, but oh my God, if you use it correctly, this works, is really, really effective. I personally really like it for using it behind my neck and on my back, because while we do wash our back and we do so many things with our back, a good scrub is always a good idea. This also is great if you have strawberry skin and things like that, because it will work on, when your dead skin is removed, your products that you're using, like your salicylic acid lotion or your BHA lotion, will absorb way better. So 100%, this little glove does work. I will add the link of Amazon. I will also mention the TikTok store I bought it from, because yes, I was heavily influenced by TikTok for this product. The third amazing viral product is this. It's the foot scrubber. As usual, I saw ads on TikTok where it was taking off so much of dead skin, and I immediately went on to Amazon and ordered it. Now, I got this from a company called Prytech, and the way I selected it was basically based on Amazon reviews. This was most reviewed and most liked and positive and all of that. So this product literally comes with 3 attachments. This is kind of softer, this is a rough attachment, and this is also a rough attachment that I haven't opened till now. I've only been using these 2. It also comes with its charger. It comes with like a head like this, which is all great. Now this product is amazing, especially if your feet, the heels of your feet, or even any part of the front or the back, tend to get really dry, because mine do. And this is a problem I've been struggling with ever since I moved to Dubai, because I've lived in India all my life and I never had this issue. But moving to Dubai, I had to actually look at getting pedicures twice a month, because my feet would be so dry all the time. And this little baby has fixed it up completely. As you can see in the video, I use both the attachments. So first I go in with this rough black attachment for all the dead skin, and then I kind of use this one to smooth everything over. Then you just apply your foot cream and your feet are great. This product is also actually mentioned in my 7-day feet transformation challenge video on YouTube that I will link, and you can check it out. It is a great product. It costed me 99 dirhams, which is way cheaper than Dr. Scholl's or any of the other brands, and this seems to work really, really well. So this is a product I would highly recommend if you get dry feet, or your feet or your soles tend to get hard and scaly and all of those things. This will really help you. It is way better than a traditional pumice stone or any of those foot scrubbers. I have a whole bunch of them as well from Amazon, but they don't feature here because they don't work as well. This, my friends, was a quick roundup of the top 3 products that have been super viral on TikTok. I bought it from Amazon and they really, really work. I hope this helps you. Go ahead, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and if you've seen the questions that appeared throughout the screen on the video, then go ahead, give me your answers in the comments below. I will see you next week. Till then, take great care of yourselves. Bye.